Half a day. I'm Jonay Delgado, the registered dietitian for FHP Health Center and the TakeCare Wellness Center.
And half a day, my name is Gianna Santos, and I am the health educator and nutrition counselor for the TakeCare Wellness Center.
March is National Nutritional Month, so today we'll be showing you how to make quick, nutrient-dense snacks that you can make at home. Today we'll be making a quick, healthy breakfast muffin packed with nutrition.
First, we're going to preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll line a 12-cup muffin pan with paper cups and set that aside. Next, we're going to mince carrots, red bell peppers, and spinach into finely chopped pieces. Then we'll set this aside as well. In a bowl, we'll combine our flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, we'll combine our eggs, milk, and oil. We'll add our minced vegetables and mix well. Next, we'll add the wet vegetable mix into the dry ingredients and combine with a spoon or spatula. Remember not to overmix. Once that's combined, we'll fold in the cheese and our ham. Spoon the batter into muffin cups, filling them about 3/4 of the way. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until a toothpick can be inserted into the center and come out clean. Remove it from the pan and let it cool before serving.
These healthy muffins have a good source of protein, good source of potassium, and it's a well-balanced breakfast because it has protein, vegetables, dairy, and calcium.
Stop by the TakeCare Wellness Center if you're interested in participating in any of our programs or interested in our consultations. Our information is listed below. We are excited to help you lead a balanced lifestyle.
Thank you for watching this video from TakeCare and FHP Health Center. For more videos like this one to help you live a more balanced lifestyle, please subscribe and like our social media pages. And don't forget to turn on the notifications. For more information about TakeCare and FHP Health Center, please go to takecareasia.com.